Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have another question that can help us see how we can treat mean when we see them in our exams. I'll be glad if you pause this video, give it a try, then come back to see my solution. That said, let's get into class. Now, our question says that in an examination, Kofi scored X in physics. For physics, Kofi scored X%. For chemistry, Kofi scored 50%. And for biology, Kofi scored 70%. Our question wants us to find the mean. Now, the mean is actually a measure of central tendency. And what does the mean say? The mean says I'm an average. Anytime you see mean, remember average. Average is simply the summation of everything divided by the total number of occurrence. Now, we have 3 occurrence. 1, 2, 3. Now, so the mean in this case will be X plus 50 plus 70, all divided by the total number of occurrence. How many occurrence? 3. Now this mean has been given to be equals to 55%. That means that X plus 50 plus 70, that's 120, will be equals to 55%. Let's cross multiply. That will be 165. So that X now will be equals to 165 minus 120. X will be equals to 45.